The buses out here are pretty cool. The orange buses. Check that out. These orange shuttle buses. Let's stroll over here. Oh, there's a car coming actually. It looked like no cars were coming, so we're good. We can hang out and wait. This is Witherspoon Street and Nassau. Got some runners. I'm gonna stand back so I don't get trampled.
Sound like a colleague of mine about your decoding triumph. Oh yeah, but I forgot. Yeah, like, Joey's on the roll.
Are you walking? Or are you running?
So yeah, they got some running thing going on. Awesome. I used to run all the time. It's such a great thing to run. I got to get back into it.
They're going to get
walking down. There's a group walking right there.
They're turning right now to get coffee and TV.
It's every Thursday at 6.
Wow, Takura's packed. A lot of people in there. Taqueria. Taqueria. I'm not sure exactly how to say it. Hopefully everyone can hear me okay. It looks like we got sound, so that's really cool. Sometimes it drops. We didn't go down that way, but there's more people this way. We're gonna walk this way. Yeah, so there is the spot, Japanese food deli. The big dogs, a lot of people got the big dogs, big white dogs around here. That's the style.
I don't think I've told you so.
That look like maybe a Siberian Husky, something like that. So we got the Princeton Garden Theater right here. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. That's pretty wild. There's the puppy. So let's take a walk around the block this way. I've never walked this way before. The back streets of Princeton, the mean streets of Princeton.
And he stops the lap. Major.
Small, right?
I know that shit's ass.
Yeah. Or some biological form.